In an installment loan, we start by borrowing an initial principal. It accrues interest, we make a payment, it accrues more interest, we make another payment, and so on. As long as the payments are made at the exact right time and for the right amount, then we'll pay it off as scheduled, and we'll pay exactly the finance charge that the bank had calculated. An annuity is a different type of account, though. It's not a loan. It's where you would pay into an account a certain monthly payment, we'll call it P, and then from there it will accrue interest in your favor. This is money that will come to you, and you can find out how much that is if you calculate the height of the triangle. And then what you'll do is you'll make another payment into the account, raising the level even higher. It'll accrue interest again, and you'll make another payment, and it'll accrue interest, and it'll just keep going up and up from there. In an annuity, the triangles here represent the interest earned, and A is the amount of money the account accumulates over time. I'm going to change this problem just a little bit to make it a little easier here. I'm going to make the compounding frequency the same as the payment frequency. So instead of semi-annually there, let's just make it monthly. All right, let's plug in. $90,000 is the accumulated amount that we want over time. The interest rate of the account is 9%. It's monthly compounding and monthly payments, so let's make it n equals 12. Raise that to the 12 times 7 because it's 7 years. Okay, and that's what we have to punch into our calculator. It should look like this, and I get $773 per month. 773.02 per month. So just as a quick check to see if our answer is reasonable, let's multiply the 773.02 times the number of payments that we'll be making just to see how much money we're actually paying into this annuity. Now we hope that the amount we're paying in is actually less than $90,000 because the interest that we make also goes into our account too. So we're supposed to pay much less into the account than we get out. Multiply the 773.02 times 7 years, and then times 12 months per year. And what do you get? $64,933.43 was paid in. So how much money did you earn from interest? The $90,000 is the total accumulated amount over time. $64,000 was paid in. And the $25,000 represents the interest earned, which is quite a lot. Okay, let's try one more. It says you'd like to have $25,000 to buy a new car in 4 years. To achieve this, how much should you invest monthly in a fund where you have 8% interest compounded monthly. Okay. P equals 25,000 times 0.08 over 12 divide by 1 plus 0.08 over 12 raised to the 12 times 4 minus 1. Let's try that one. I get 443.66.